Welcome back to Zoe TV. Okay, so since we have a new chair, it's here. The new chair is here. It has a lot of stuff you can do. You can read it. So,
It's gonna run. Dalawa.
like this. We have some candy here, flickers, the final flickers. And for this one, how to do this one? First, pull this thingy, and then you pull it. You pull it too much kasi it's fall out. Then you can also put your legs here like this. Oh, now I'm sitting. Look. And then, if you want to know how to do this thing, you have to push it, and then you will this one, this button, so you can lock it. Look. Tada! I'm done. And then if you want it here, you also have to pull that thing, and then for a table, you can put some snacks in, then laying down, and you have to put them laying down of the legs here, and you can also do like this. Okay, so that's all.